Glad you could come.
Oh, it's fine. I don't know how much good I'm going to be. DIY, it's never my strong suit.
Do you want a glass of wine?
I better not if I'm going to be working with electrics.
You know I didn't really get you round here to fix my fridge, right?
Oh, did you want me to fix something else? Your freezer?
No, that was just an excuse to get you round.
Oh, you told me your fridge was broken when really you wanted me to look at your freezer.
Okay, clearly I need to be a bit more explicit. I invited you round because I like spending time with you.
Oh. Oh!
Yes.
So, this is a sort of date?
If you like.
I do. Definitely. If you do.
I do.
Cool.
So, wine then?
Great. Oh, I better look at your freezer just in case it all defrosts. It's not really broken, is it?
You're learning.
Yes, okay. Good. Good.